What up? I ain't been on YouTube in a while. Yeah, I'm gonna show you what we got going on. So we got the workstation, all sorts of Hot Wheels. It's a mess right now. Got some cool custom cars, some old collectors, got some new boys. These are custom looks, they cool as hell. I'll put them in the light, you see it a little better. So, got a bunch of stuff. The garage over here is a truck on a custom Jeep. Did some 3D printed axles, lift kit, whatever you want to call it. Lift them up, put them on these two. Got the printer. Right now I got some flatbeds for as a truck. And they're pretty cool. Tried one with one of the lifts to make it like so. We got my goldfish. Just tearing those up. You know, got the TV, get everything. But here we got some Hot Wheels, all sorts of goodies. We got my favorite. We got a custom. We got 13. I did the interior on it. Put some wheels. Slap them on there. Put them up. Got some sick boys over here. We got some card art, model kits. We got it all up in here. We got the RC drift cars with a custom 3D printed motor. Big old turbo ski on there. We got the big boy. This thing is big as hell. That's F350. I think the hood pops on them. Mirrors fold in and out. It's pretty cool. We got some good stuff. Yeah, ain't really been doing much. Just been working on the 3D print shit. Messing with these here Hot Wheels. Ain't been on the drift track in a while. It's been a hot minute. We got text so yeah, I'm gonna have more shit coming up soon here, guys. Bear with me. I just got a GoPro a little while back. Got a whole bunch of videos on it. I gotta pull off of it, put on the computer, and get everything ready to go for YouTube. Other than that, stay locked. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.